These are my Vinca, and they have been beautiful this season. I haven't had to do a thing, and they get full sun. They have been beautiful, and the butterflies and hummingbirds come to them. There's a little butterfly right now. But they're easy to propagate from seed. When we moved here, we had not planted them. The lady had planted them before, and the next year, I kept seeing all these beautiful little flowers pop up and in the garden and around the yard. And I thought, wow, those are pretty and interesting that I didn't have to do anything to get some flowers around the yard. Anyway, I find um, and this little tool I find exceptionally helpful. It's a scalpel. I got them on Amazon. You get the handle, and then you get a box of these knife heads that slide over this little piece here. And I use a pair of pliers, but they also have a tool that makes it a little bit easier. But when I go to take cuttings or to remove seed pods, these are really helpful to get in there without damaging the plant. And the Vinca, and these are the little pods right here. And what you're looking for is the ones that you can see the little dark ripened seeds inside the pod. So right there is this little bean looking pod, and that's what breaks open to give you those seeds. The Vinca is an annual, but they will reseed very easily. After collecting your seeds, look at all those, just from, I haven't even popped the rest of them open. But after collecting your seeds, you will store them in an envelope, label them, and that way you'll be all ready when you're ready to plant them again for next season.